Have you ever wondered how many germs are actually living on the surfaces you touch every single day? And more importantly, are you really removing them or just spreading them around? High-touch surfaces like switches, door handles, phones, and remotes collect far more bacteria and viruses than most people realize. And today you'll learn exactly how to keep them clean and safe. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to FastKlean, like this video, and share it with someone who cares about keeping their space germ-free. High-touch surfaces are everywhere, at home, in the office, and in public spaces. These are the spots we touch constantly, often without even thinking about it. Because of that, they become hotspots for germs and need more frequent attention than the rest of your cleaning routine. Start by identifying the key areas in your space. Door handles, light switches, taps, appliance handles, remotes, phones, keyboards, banisters, and chair arms are some of the most common high-touch points. These are the places germs gather fast, especially when multiple people use the same space. Cleaning them effectively comes down to the right approach. Always clean before you disinfect. Dirt and grease stop disinfectants from working properly. Use a suitable cleaner to remove grime first, then apply a disinfectant, and make sure the surface stays wet for the full contact time listed on the label. That's the step most people skip, and it's the difference between killing germs and just wiping them around. Frequency matters too. High-touch surfaces should be cleaned and disinfected daily, and even more often if someone in your home or office is feeling unwell. Consistency is what keeps bacteria and viruses from spreading. If this video helped you understand how to protect your home or workplace from hidden germs, like it and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to FastKlean for more expert cleaning tips and hygiene advice.